Hello and welcome back. This is Azharul Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how I generate passive income by doing nothing at all actively. And then I'm going to show you how you can join in affiliate networks so easily so that you will be able to make passive income. So without further ado, here is the story. I was working on a client project and suddenly I received this email. And after that, I got the idea to record this video as well. So if I open this email up, you are going to see great news. You just earned a commission from one of your referrals. And if you notice, your commission was 14.70 US dollars. Okay, so this amount is pretty small for sure, but I earned this money doing nothing at all for the company on that time. So now let me show you how often I receive these types of commissions from this company particularly. So if I type out here, as you can see, this is the username Hunter from Hunter. So I'm going to type out Hunter from Hunter and just take a look at the dates. February 28th, March 6th, March 8th today, and then we have got February 19th, February 12th, and few more dates. As you can see, I'm getting these commissions recurringly and in a consistent basis. So now if I open up few of the emails, as you can see here, your commission was 29.70 US dollars. You just earned a commission from one of your referrals. So from one referral, I earned 29.70 US dollars. So the amount, the commission depends on what is the package that your referred customer purchased from the company. Okay, so he purchased the 99 US dollars worth of package. Now if I take you back, you are going to see, if I open up this email, just take a look, 59.70 US dollars from one single referral, and this referral purchased 199 US dollars worth of package. So now let me take you to the background history, how I started getting payment from this website and how I am getting paid now without doing anything for the company. So here, if I take you to the website, as you can see, find email address in seconds. So basically, I used to provide email list building service to my clients about 2 years ago. And when I used to provide them this service, I used to use few of the tools along with this Hunter tool, and I really loved this tool, and it was really helpful to collect email addresses so faster and so efficiently, and they used to provide a good service. So what I did after working on this, after using this tool for few months, I just look around at the bottom of the page or somewhere else, and then I discovered this option, affiliate program. So I just opened it up, and then I just, as you can see here, 30% revenue share within the first year. So for the first year, I'm going to get 30% of the commission on each of the sale. It doesn't matter which pricing they are selecting or my referred customers are selecting. So after coming up on this page, I simply clicked on apply for the affiliate program, and then I entered my information, my first name, last name, email address, and then my company name. I provided my name in this case instead of a company because I don't own a company. And after that, what is your website URL? So in this case, I provided my affiliate website URL, which I mostly use for affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you're interested to create a affiliate marketing website, simple. If you visit youtube.com, and after that, if you type out here affiliate website Azharul and hit enter, you are going to find this website where I have shown how you can create a WordPress website for affiliate marketing step by step from the scratch. So even if you have never ever worked with WordPress, you'll be able to follow this video to create an affiliate marketing website. Okay, so now let me take you back, and then I have just provided the other information, and they accepted my let's say request to join their affiliate program. And then what I started to do, whenever I work with any client, I shared them this affiliate link and let them know Hunter is going to help us make the job efficiently, faster, and it is going to help us get better results. Okay, and then some of the clients started purchasing Hunter packages by using my affiliate URL, and then I started getting paid. So after having like 2 or 3 sales, I started creating YouTube videos. So if I make a search here, let me show you how I shared this affiliate URL specifically. Okay, so if I type out here email address and then okay Azharul, I'm going to show you just as an example this video as an example. If I open this up, I have shared how someone can use Hunter to find email address of any LinkedIn profile for their targeted prospects, and then I have talked about this specific tool. Okay, actually this specific tool which is Hunter, and if you just notice this link, try it for free. And if you just notice this link is actually my affiliate URL. Okay, and if you just notice here, this is the affiliate URL. So whenever someone is going to click here and then if they purchase this tool, I'm going to get some commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. And if I show you here, this is not a big amount. Like I have received 35 pounds so far, and currently I've got 39.69 unpaid amount, and I have received $1,372 and I have got $371 spending. So if you just sum up, this is not so much a big amount for sure, but I'll be able to purchase an iPhone 12 with this amount. I'll be able to purchase maybe a MacBook for my better working performance. Okay, so basically you have to promote any products URL which you love to use, or you know this is going to be a good product for your referred customer, and if they purchase the product by using your URL, you are going to get some commission. Now let me show you. Let's say you don't know how Hunter works, how to collect email addresses, and you don't have a client base. Now still you are interested to do affiliate marketing. Let me show you how you can join. So let's start with Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon, or let's say I'm going to type out amazon.com directly here, amazon.com. And on Amazon, even if you don't have any specific skills and if you don't know any other tool, you'll be able to get into Amazon affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without having any skills, and you'll be able to make money. Let me show you how. So on Amazon, you will be able to find thousands, millions of products on any category. Let's say beauty products, easy returns. As you can see, these are the kind of machinery things, then gym things, and any other product. Let's say I want to purchase a mat, let's say gym mat or a table, just as an example. Okay, I want to purchase a table. You are going to find tables here. Okay, so let's find out the best tables. As you can see, this table has 6,360 reviews, so it has a lots of reviews with 4.5 stars. So obviously this is a great table and it has demand on the marketplace. Now select this table, and before that what you have to do, actually whatever product you are selecting, you can select whatever product you want to promote to your potential customers. Simply before you promote any product, simply you have to join on their Amazon affiliate program. If I take you to the bottom of this page, you are going to find become an affiliate option here. So let me click on become an affiliate button right here, and it is going to take me to the next page. As you can see, sign up, recommend, and earn. You will be able to earn up to 10% commission from Amazon affiliate marketing. So if you are selling a product worth of $10, you are going to get a commission of $1, and there are so many benefits on Amazon affiliate program. So if you're interested to learn more about Amazon affiliate program, then please let me know by commenting below. I'd love to make a dedicated video on this. So basically what you have to do, simply you have to click here. As you can see, recommend products, earn commissions. So simply you have to click on this sign up button, and after that you have to provide the information depending on your information. Okay, so you have to provide the information they are going to ask, and then you have to simply find out the products, get the affiliate links, and then share the products on your website, through your social media. So if you want to learn more about product promotion of Amazon affiliates, so if I type out here Amazon Azharul Rafy, if I type it out, you are going to find Amazon affiliate marketing through Pinterest, and I've shared how I used to promote Amazon affiliate URLs to generate money on this video, and you can learn from this video as well. But one issue here, now you need to have a website to get into Amazon affiliate marketing. So for this, if you're interested to learn how to create an Amazon affiliate marketing website, again, I have just already shown affiliate website Azharul. Just type it out right this, and then you are going to find this video to watch. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to complete every information on the sign up process, simple. If you just follow this video, create Amazon affiliate account and start affiliate marketing, this video from my channel, you are going to learn every process of how you can join on Amazon affiliate marketing, okay, network. So after that, simply you have to select the products. You will find more information here in this video. Okay, you have to select the products, and then you have to promote the links on your website, and then share the URL on Pinterest, Facebook, or whatever platform, or generate some traffics from Google by doing SEO stuffs, and you are going to get commissions from each sales whenever someone will use your link to purchase any product from Amazon or whatever platform. Now let me show you another way. So whatever tool you are using, you can start promoting the tool to generate money. Just as an example, I am using Camtasia Studio 9. If you just notice, this is Camtasia Studio 9, and I'm using this tool for a few years, and as I'm using, I know this is a great tool. I believe this tool is going to be able to help. This tool is going to help some other people's too, because this is really easy to use video editor, video screen recorder. Okay, so let's say I want to promote this tool to some of my fellow followers who would love to go on video editing field, or let's say YouTubing field. Simply what I'd love to do, I'm simply going to type out Camtasia, which is the tool name, affiliate program, and hit enter. If I open the first link, as you can see, partner information, open this link in a new tab, you are going to find few information. As you can see, affiliate partners. Our affiliate program makes it easy to earn commission promoting our award-winning visual communication software to your customers. Just imagine, so you can join whatever tool you are using, you can simply find the affiliate link. As you can see, sometimes it's written like partners, sometimes it's written like join an affiliate network, our affiliate network, etc. So if I click here, as you can see, affiliate partners, if I click here on learn more, you are going to see more information. Earn up to 12% commission from each sale you generate from your affiliate link. So this is how affiliate marketing works. Simply you have to choose the product, and then you have to join in the affiliate network by simply clicking on become an affiliate, whatever it is. Okay, become an affiliate, and then you will find more information where you have to put your information like first name, last name, email, and other information. And let me clarify one thing on, yeah, if they're asking for a company name, if you don't have a company, simply provide your personal name. For me, I mostly use Azharul Rafy as the company name. So this is it, guys. I believe I was able to share some information regarding affiliate marketing and passive income throughout this video, and I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, share this video to help your friends. Let me know if you have any question by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.